Hi guys and welcome to my channel. Guess what? I just bought a new shirt from the Soul Store. This is the store, the official WWE store, and I'm going to show you the unboxing of this t-shirt. I don't know which this t-shirt is because I bought two t-shirts. One for me, Burn It Down, Seth Rollins. Oh, you see it, man? This is awesome. And one extra. I didn't knew because I already bought a new t-shirt for me from my mother's phone, and my father thought the order was not placed, so I he bought another one, and now let's open it. So let's begin. Oh, I guess to open it. Oh yeah. This is not fake. It is very awesome. And let's do it. This is not removing from one. Ah, this is very tight. Ah, ah.
अरे कात्री घेऊन कट कर ना.
Let me take the scissors. This is not sharp at all. Now this is the big one. Oh. Ah. Yeah. Oh yes, this is the Burn It Down t-shirt. Yes, ma'am. Look at this. This is. Oh, one more. Believe that. And I can and I will. This is Roman Reigns t-shirt, and this is mine, Seth Rollins. This is my third favorite. Let's open this first, let's open this first. This t-shirt is not fake. It is completely real. Oh, awesome. One damn boy. Look at that. Soul Store tags. What is this? Let it be. Now, burn it down. Oh, WWE authentic wear. This is awesome, and thanks for watching my new video. Please subscribe to my channel Technical Neil and press the bell icon and like this video. And good night. This is night. Oh, oh, oh yeah. 8:12. Bye bye. And here you share the technical Neil. Bye bye.